I'm Britton, co-founder of SyndicateRoom here, joined by Yusuf Sherwani from Quit Genius. It's a pleasure to have you here today talking at the Fund launch event. Tell us a little bit about kind of what you do and the story behind your company.
Sure, so Quit Genius is a mobile app that delivers personalized therapy to help people quit smoking that's as good as a real therapist, but at a fraction of the cost.
Excellent. So about 14 months ago, you took investment from us in our network. What have you achieved in that last 12 to 14 months?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think kind of the biggest thing for us was just being able to really kind of improve our technology and scale it to hundreds of thousands of people. So
wow.
I'm proud to say today that we've now helped over 600,000 people in their attempt to quit smoking.
Wow.
That's tens of thousands of actual verified quitters, which for us is really the metric that kind of moves us the most.
So hundreds of thousands of verified quitters.
Tens of thousands of verified. So we have 40,000 verified quitters on the platform and 600,000 patients actually engaging with the therapy at this moment in time.
Amazing. And if you looked at the efficacy, I think is the term, compared to the patch or something else, are you on par with the success of those other methods?
Yeah, so that's a huge thing for us. Like by background, I'm a medical doctor, so proving that it has a real evidence base is a huge part of it. We've recently concluded and published a peer-reviewed trial that actually showed that Quit Genius was even more effective than face-to-face therapy. So kind of to explain that a bit, you know what that really means. It's kind of the gold standard way of quitting smoking is using a combination of therapy for the psychological component of the person's addiction, and you can use that in conjunction with patches, e-cigarettes, nicotine gum, etc. But it's that kind of that therapy, that therapeutic component, which is all about helping someone break that psychological addiction that's been missing. So being able to actually deliver that in combination with standard kind of nicotine replacement therapies is really what works, and we've seen that in actual peer-reviewed literature.
Excellent. And so we talked about the last 12 to 14 months. If I had to ask you what's the next 12 to 14 months look like, what would you say?
Yeah, I think a big part of it is really just continuing to improve our technology in a way that can deliver truly personalized therapy that really replicates what a human does. And what I mean by that is really being able to segment users according to their individual triggers. So the therapy, one person receives is totally different to someone else, whether they're pregnant or quitting smoking because of stress, boredom, concentration, etc. Being able to kind of deliver that on a really granular basis will really pave the way in the future for us to also do this in new areas.
Success of it as well. Amazing. Well, thank you very much for joining us today. Really appreciate it, and we look forward to speaking to you again soon and seeing future success. So
cool.
Pleasure.
Thank you.